Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your developer account and a project, enroll and complete payment, then verify identity so publishing is allowed. Next, create the app entry in the console, choose a unique package name, and configure your signing key, because the store requires a consistent signature for updates. Once done, gather visual assets and a privacy policy, since those are required for listing and review. Make sure screenshots match target device ratios and explain core features succinctly. You now build a release-signed APK or app bundle and set version code and version name, because correct versioning prevents update conflicts. Then run internal and closed testing tracks, distribute to testers, collect crash logs and UX feedback, and iterate until stability is ensured. Meanwhile, configure the store listing. Select categories, pricing model, and age rating, and add localized descriptions so discovery improves. Make sure to enable relevant APIs and consent flows. You finalize by reviewing the pre-launch report and resolving any critical crashes or permission misconfigurations. This reduces rejection risk. Then submit the app to the selected release track, set a staged rollout percentage if desired, and write clear release notes so users know what changed. After publishing, monitor analytics and user feedback, prepare hotfixes for urgent issues, and iterate on updates. If the review fails, check the rejection reason, fix the flagged item, and resubmit promptly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.